Hi, Mr. Noodler. Today we're parsing strings and we're going to convert a string to an int. So let's show you how that's done. Okay. So we're going to include a StringStream. And of course, it's the namespace standard. So for our first method, let's make a, this will be the int, that is this parse string. And then we will do a string. Oops, not a sting, a string. And we will keep it simple. We're making sure that it's not a word or any letters in there. Yeah, so let's StringStream. We'll call this String. And this is pretty simple. All we have to do is feed it values, number, and then retrieve those numbers. And cout using string parse string, and we'll just say end line, and that should do it. So let's see, does that work? So we got a string and we convert it to a number through StringStream. So there you have it. It is an int and it's now 234. So there's another method, and say x1 equals 346, and we'll say int num1 equals stoy example 1, and then this function will return a string. We'll return a int from a string if we feed it, and then we're just going to say what happens after using stoy. I'm going to say num1 and line. We'll see what happens. So using stoy, we get 346. So that's pretty cool. Just one more thing we'll check. And we'll just say 4.5. Let's see how it handles other things. For 34, see what happens. Okay, so let's copy this. Alright, we'll just see what happens and try to do these other things with it. And we get an exception unhandled. So unhandled exception in parse string exe. Microsoft C++ exception standard in value argument at memory location. So for number 4, that means word 34, so it doesn't like that. It doesn't like having letters before the number. So we'll just click this, and we'll click this, and we'll see what happens. Oops. Let's go here. Okay, we'll see what happens. Okay, so when it's 346, 4, 34, and 34. So here it only counted the first int in this floating point number. And then here it only also considered the first int. So it's safe to assume it only works on the first int. And there you have it. That's how you convert a string to an int. Hope you found this helpful. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thanks.